Let me tell you guys a story. So on that fateful day, this story is actually very unreal when I say it aloud. You know why I say it is very unreal? Because sometimes I look at myself and I'm like, did this really happen or not? Do you understand? So few time ago I was just sitting on my bed, at a point a message from my bank came, popped up on my phone, and the message says low balance warning. When I saw that message, I laughed, but not because it was funny. No, I laughed because it was the kind of laugh you make when life corners you and you've run out of excuses. Honestly, bills were stacking and choking. At a point, my salary was gone. You understand? By the end of every 8th of every month, and sometime while scrolling through my phone and out of anger and frustration, at a point, I decided to type something into Google. Yes, I searched for something into Google, and that particular thing that I searched on Google really changed my entire life, honestly. Now, the best side hustle that actually worked for me. Yes, now this is not a get rich quick scheme, you understand. It is not an overnight money. Just it worked when you actually put in more work. Now this is what I found out that didn't just save me. This particular thing rebuilt my whole financial life. Yes, and today I want to give you guys the real list. Not theory, not hype, but the side hustle that truly works. The ones I've done, I have tested it. It failed though, but at a point I succeeded, and up to today I'm still learning and also earning from this side hustle. Now let's get into it. Now I want to tell you guys one thing, and that is why most side hustles fail. I want to tell you guys why some side hustles fail in some businesses. Now before I give you guys the list, I have to be honest with you guys. Most people fail at side hustle for 3 good reasons. One, they chose side hustle that they hate, honestly speaking. And 2, they quit too early. Then 3, they chase trends instead of solving real problems. So if your side hustle doesn't do one of these things, if it doesn't save someone time, it doesn't save someone's money, it doesn't make someone money, and also it doesn't fix someone's pain, trust me, that side hustle will not last. It will never lack. You understand? The side hustle that you are about to hear, every single one of them checks those boxes. Now let's start with my all-time favorite. Do you understand? Now another thing I also want you to know is these are the side hustle that actually work. Number one of it is the digital service. The skill, this is a skill. This digital service is a skill that you can actually learn in just 1 week or a month, depending on how fast you are in learning. And this is the fastest way for you to start earning online, which is what your digital service, which also includes, it can be your digital service earning can actually be, maybe you are into social media management, maybe you are into graphics design, you are into video editing, you are into content writing, or this smudge painting or YouTube thumbnail design. Yes, there are some people that specialize in designing thumbnail for people, or maybe you are into virtual assistant or Canva template creation. Do you understand? These are some of the things that has to do with what digital service. You understand? So you can either go for any of them. Now, why should you go into this, and why does this digital service works? It works because there are a lot of businesses that need help in those areas, and not only that, it is also very easy to start. You don't need any money. You can earn in dollars as well, and you can grow into an agency. Do you understand? Now these are some of the platforms that you can use in order to start your digital service. You can use your Fiverr, your Upwork, your Freelancer, your Facebook Marketplace, or LinkedIn. You understand? Yes, at a point I started offering a simple services on graphics design and editing, but today that same skill still earn me more passive than my full-time job ever paid me. Yes, because I know that, yes, I might have stopped some of this side hustle, you understand, but then people that actually know that I'm into it, they still contact me if the need arises, you understand. So that is just it. Then number 2 side hustle that works is your digital products. Now the side hustle, that this is one of the side hustle that work even when you sleep, guys. Digital product selling works even when you are not even online, you are asleep and all of that, you understand. Now some of you might be asking, what is this digital product all about? Digital products include printable ST, it include planners, ebooks, checklists, templates, online courses, and also Notion dashboards. Do you understand? These are things that some of the things that falls under digital products. Now once you create any of these, you can sell it forever. Trust me, you can sell it forever. And this is how some beginners make their first passive income online. You understand? These are some of the tools that you need in order for you to start your digital product. You need your Canva. If you're not good at designing Canva, you need to go and enroll in courses, or you can go online and search out for videos that can put you through on how to design canvas. You can also choose to go into you can use tools like ST or Gumroad, or you can use Payhip or Notion. Do you understand? These are the tools that can actually help you to start this selling of digital products. Okay, people will always buy convenience, honestly. So you are not selling a PDF, you are selling a short cut. You understand? Now another side hustle is your affiliate marketing. Do you understand? Your affiliate marketing. Now this hustle is where you don't need any product. You don't need any product to start your affiliate marketing. Do you understand? Affiliate marketing simply means recommending a product and earning a commission. Do you understand? When you recommend a product to people by maybe using a link, and anybody that clicks on that your link, automatically you earn a commission from it. You understand? And in this affiliate marketing, no customer, you don't need any customer service, you don't need any inventory or any shipping. The only thing you need to do is to share a product you use. Yes, share share a product you use, or share a product that someone buy. You understand? Then you get paid at the end of it all. Now this is a platform that you can actually use to promote this. You can use your Amazon associate, you can use your ClickBank, you can use your Impact, you can use your ShareSell, you can use your Canva, you can use your Teachable, you can use your Fiverr. Okay, so if you're shy or don't want to appear on cameras, this side hustle is a good, and you shouldn't sit on it staring. Okay, so I've had some affiliate commission come in even on days I didn't expect it. That is what we call a real passive income. You understand? So that is just it. So another side hustle is YouTube cash flow. YouTube cash flow. Do you understand? Now the side hustle, this is a side hustle that people underestimate the most. YouTube is not a social app, it is a search engine, meaning that your videos can actually earn you years even after you upload it, even while you are sleeping, even while you are offline. You understand? And you can earn through YouTube on YouTube through your AdSense, through your affiliate links, or through sponsored ads, or through digital sales. You can also earn on YouTube short bonuses. You understand? You don't need millions of views. You understand? Now mind you that some creators with over 2,000 subscribers earn over $800 to $3,000 per month, even more than that. Why? Because it is about intent, not just the views. So you need to also understand that people want side hustles, people want money tips, and people want tutorials. They want reviews, and they also want tools. Do you understand? So these niches pays one of the highest CPN on YouTube. So you shouldn't underestimate that. Now another side hustle you can actually consider is your local skill global client. Now this side hustle, nobody talks about it, but everybody can actually do it. For example, hair making and tech and teach. Maybe you are good at making hair. You can teach it online. You can start making videos on how to make hair. Teach people online. You can start coaching people on how to create recipe templates for maybe for cooking or for anything. You understand? You can also if you are into tailoring, you can start creating measurement ideas and guides and start making videos on it. If you are also into beading, film tutorials on how to make bead, film tutorials and sell video lesson on how to make makeup, then also film video and create beginner's guide on farming, depending on the one that you are good at. You understand? Your everyday skill can actually turn you into online class or downloadable guide, YouTube tutorial, digital product and coaching. You don't need a big audience. All you need is a one person willing to pay for your knowledge. Do you understand? Then the final truth, this is the final truth about side hustle that actually work and nobody talks about it. There is no perfect hustle, but there is a one truth, which is what? Money flows to those who solve problem consistently, not the fastest, not the smartest, and not the loudest, just the one who show up daily. Do you understand? So if you're watching this video today, maybe you are tired of your financial stress, maybe the bills are louder than your motivation, maybe you feel stuck. I want you to hear this clearly. You don't need permission to change your life. All you need is a starting point, and you just found it today through this video. So go ahead and pick one side hustle from this video today. Start it today, not tomorrow, not next month or next year. The year has already ended, but any day you wake up, that is when your morning begins. So this time next year, guys, you are going to be shocked at how much your life has really changed when you start any of this. So you have to go ahead. Your new chapter just started today. You understand? If this is your first time of coming across my video, you're welcome. Please do what to like this video, comment I am ready to start, then don't forget to subscribe for weekly income strategies. Then go ahead and check our description for recommended tools, and also watch my next video on how I turn my YouTube into a side hustle. This video is actually coming up very soon. Thank you very much, guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.